Without such freedom,
What is going on behind your back saying fuck Michael Corleone all the time? That's it. That's one thing it has to do with you, right? Say it to his face one time. Say it to his face one time.
Welcoming President Medvedev to the microphone.
Меня упрекали во всем, окромя подводы.
If Mr. McMurphy doesn't want to take his medication orally, I'm sure we can arrange that he can have it some other way.
I'm Sergey Brin from Google. How many people here have used Google? We have a set of values and desires today that are probably
under the threat of nuclear annihilation. And yet, even then, the U.S. had the courage to take me and my family in as refugees.